That's an ambitious task you've set out for, nailing down the top 100 books on stock investing to get rich. Understandably, you're looking to arm yourself with knowledge to navigate the high seas of the stock markets. Well, I can't deliver a suitcase full of 100 titles, but what I can do is give you a solid foundation with a few of the star players in the investment book universe. These are the Voyager's maps that have stood the test of time. Reading these will at least start you out on the right foot. Let's start with the grandfather of investment philosophy, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is the holy grail for value investors. Graham, who was Warren Buffett's mentor, lays the groundwork for an investment approach that focuses on long-term fundamentals. It was first printed in 1949 but has been updated over the years. The core principles are timeless. Invest with a margin of safety and be aware of the psychological pitfalls of market behavior. Moving on, there's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Fisher's book complements Graham's by focusing on qualitative factors such as management's quality, and it brings in the concept of growth investing. It teaches you that investing isn't just about numbers, it's also about judgment and foresight. And let's not forget The Oracle of Omaha, the essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America, compiled by Lawrence Cunningham. It's a collection of Buffett's annual letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. Each letter not only shares insights into the company's performance, but is also packed with Buffett's investment wisdom and his perspective on business and economics. If you're looking to get a modern twist, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch Lynch was a rock star fund manager at Fidelity. His book is a goldmine for individual investors. It encourages the average Joe to use what they know to find investment opportunities before the pros. For the Psychology of It All, Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Kahneman isn't an investor but a psychologist and Nobel laureate. His book dives deep into the dual systems of our brain, the fast, intuitive reaction, and the slow, deliberate thought. He doesn't specifically talk about stocks, but understanding his concepts of cognitive biases and risk aversion is key to mastering the emotional side of investing. Then there's A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Malkiel argues that assets prices typically exhibit signs of a random walk, and that throwing darts at stock listings might yield just as good results as a fund manager's picks. It's a marvelous starting point for understanding market efficiency. Now, these titles just scratch the surface, and there are shelves lined with investing books that promise riches and financial nirvana. But reading alone won't make you rich. Application of knowledge, consistent practice, and a healthy dose of patience are what might eventually bloat your wallet. From my corner here in Portland, braving the brisk Oregon winds and sipping freshly brewed coffee between reads, I can tell you these books are a good launch pad. But the journey to riches, well, that's a more secretive manuscript, one that is mostly written through your own investment saga. Stay curious, stay critical, and happy reading.